Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Harjivan Singh and I'm going to be doing tech tutorials. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove the background of an image for free without using Photoshop or After Effects. But first, if you want to see more videos like this, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so you don't miss any of my videos when I post them. Now, without further ado, let's get this video started. So the first thing that we need to do is go to Google and type in www.remove.bg. Okay, then this will come up. So if you want to remove the background of your image, you just press upload image or drop a file. So I already have a picture that I want to remove, so you can remove it. Open, and yeah, it has removed the background for me. As you can see, this is the original picture and this is the removed background. Or if you don't want to remove the background, you can even do this. Press edit and you can press this, or if you want a color, then you can just choose any color that you like, or press this, any color. But for me, this is perfect for me, and just press download, and as you can see, it has removed the background for us. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!